What advice do you have for young people considering a career in engineering?
I think the biggest thing is that if you can dream it, you can do it. If there's something that you feel really passionate about, or maybe you're just a little bit curious about, you should explore those passions because someone's got to change the world for the better, and it can be you if you are excited and passionate about making positive change in the world. I would also say that STEM is difficult. All jobs are difficult, but was always very difficult for me, and it was something that I had to really work at. And to have people in your life that support you through that process, like teachers and siblings and your guardians and your friends and family, it is really important to rely on those folks throughout your process.